So we want to find the angle here, WXZ. Okay, but before we start on that, let's figure out what this side is. Okay, so we know this is a right angle, right? We know this angle, we know this side. Okay, so here this is, if I call this X, actually let's just call it XZ. This is the opposite side here, and this is the adjacent. So if I have tangent of 41.5, that's going to be the sine XZ all over the adjacent, which is 7.3. Okay, so multiplying both sides by 7.3, I know what my XZ is, right? It's this. So that means I know this side and I know this side. So to find this angle, right, this is the opposite and this is the adjacent, right? So we have tangent of the missing angle X, right? Actually, we'll just call it angle WXZ, okay? This is going to equal to opposite over adjacent, right? So that's 5.2 over 7.3 tangent of 41.5, right? So all we have to do is tan inverse both sides, then we can isolate for angle WXZ. So that's tan inverse of this here. So that's going to be 5.2 over this. Okay, and you'll get approximately 39 degrees.